Hey! In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. You need to start by opening Settings. Now click on Biometrics and Password over here and tap on Face Unlock. After that, you need to enter your current login method and choose Next at the bottom right corner. Now remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. After that, you can adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to, and then tap on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!